The Beast Incarnate is here.
Still dominant after 2 decades.
The following contest is an Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring from Minneapolis, Minnesota, weighing in at 295 pounds, the Beast, Brock Lesnar!
It's this simple. Brock Lesnar says, I'm paid to fight and kick butt. And everyone else, they're paid to have their butt kicked.
And the Beast Incarnate has earned a fortune doing just that, Saxton. And gentlemen, we're mere moments away from witnessing the most destructive force in WWE history.
Brock Lesnar is always ready for war, and tonight should be a brutal one. Here we go, guys.
And his opponent from New York, weighing in at 297 pounds, the WWE Universal Champion, Goldberg.
The WWE Universe more than ready to see this one start. This is going to be good.
Defeating Lesnar, well, you can almost write your ticket to becoming a legend.
A task few have been able to accomplish, and many have fallen to the Beast.
One thing comes to mind in an Iron Man match, guys. It's obviously a battle of physical strength and stamina, but I think mental toughness is every bit as important.
Definitely a battle of wills here, Byron, no question.
It's mind over matter. If you don't mind the pain and exhaustion, it doesn't matter.
I can't believe you just said that, Byron, but then again, I can.
And it's reverse pain for that mistake. Oh, foot just stomping down.
Carefully placed stomp to the arm.
And a slam.
Talk about intimidation. I'm not sure if it's resilience or stupidity that's going to drive you to try and come back from a move like that.
Oh, wait a second.
Maybe not. Roll up. Kick out before the refs count.
He is going to take this match as long and as far as he needs to.
Fisherman's Buster.
Body shots over and over. One to the jaw, and then
Look at this, expressing their dominance. Was definitely not thinking about finesse with that one. Was only thinking about dominance.
Not much time to play with considering the time limit.
that's right. Don't expect a tie ball game for too long.
And neither superstar has any ground to make up. Who knows how the remaining 3/4 of this match will go?
Byron, what is something a superstar should do after they score the first fall?
When you win the first fall, you have to keep your foot on the gas pedal. Keep that energy going and try to score another fall.
I strongly disagree. After scoring the first fall, the sage thing to do is go on defense. Slow things down, run the clock out.
And gets tossed back into the mat. Brock's grip. And Brock puts a stop to that.
Elbow thrown, saying not today. Elbow on the spot.
A surprising lack of brutality from Lesnar there. Ooh. Knee left. Gets him with the counter.
Big forearm.
The score tally is knotted up as half of the time limit is already wasted away.
Still all zeros.
Can he do it here? He's able to kick out before two.
He's far from finished. Oh!
Brock Lesnar now just unleashing next-level brutality with a series of knee strikes.
Nothing was being held back with each of those strikes. Knew what was coming there.
Kick to the midsection. Hoisted up. Disorienting spin and...
Momentum into a spinning powerbomb.
That spells trouble for Lesnar.
Kick out at two.
The scary thing is, this is ordinary for the Beast Incarnate. It's going to take a lot more to keep Lesnar down for the count.
When your opponent can hang after all that, you're wondering if earning a win might just be impossible. He is just reeling from that offense.
In order to succeed in an Extreme Rules match, you have to be willing to sacrifice your body a bit, guys.
For a fisherman buster.
Tensions are high as we approach the final moments, all tied up.
Still zilch on the scoreboard with the better part of this match already over. This is basically a stalemate here.
He returns to the ring.
He foiled that attempt.
Brock way left. Brock's got locked in. Kimura lock. Is he going to tap out? If he does, he's going to be down at least a fall.
He needs to find a way out quick.
No, he lets him out.
Yeah, I think he knew he wasn't going to get the submission there.
What are they doing here? Will this be enough? Breaks the close count.
Now is not the time to wallow in disbelief. Pressure must be kept on.
Outside the ring now, he has no need to rush.
And it's time to play the game, as they say, with the sledgehammer.
Last seconds ticking away.
We can't waste any.
Time is up, and this ends in a draw.